continuing frigid conditions have plunged the Yantai and Weihai areas of the Shandong Peninsula into an ongoing cold snap, culminating in relentless snowstorms on December 21, 2023. Zifu District in Yantai City witnessed a historic meteorological event with snow depths reaching an astonishing 53 centimeters, setting a record high. Social media is awash with accounts from netizens describing the arduous task of trudging through the snow, with some resorting to crawling on hands and knees to navigate the nearly impassable terrain. The extreme weather has cast an Arctic-like atmosphere over Yantai, leaving residents grappling with the unprecedented cold and hardship.